Alright guys, welcome back to Stuck in an Island, where I'm stuck with you guys and we are always smiling. Like I always say, I am so excited, clearly because I'm back on the road. I did mention that I was having some mechanical issues with the car, but that's all sorted out and I'm back on the road. And what I was so happy about this morning, I actually got to get some pepper shrimp on the way in. So I drove in, had my shrimp, super spicy but very delicious. On other good news as well, Jilly should be back home soon. I, on a personal regard, have just missed her being on the same island that I am on. And yeah, but of course there also comes the bad news, and this is just also a part of life. I'm actually coming up on the place right now that I'm going to talk about. Now, since when I started this trip around Jamaica, like there's a couple places that have really given me, let's say, just really good experiences, man. Like when I started out, I remembered being a little bit timid, and then now I feel a lot more confident, you know, just living in my van and just meeting people at these restaurants and stuff like that. And the bad news in a nutshell is the Blueberry Hill Mystic Breeze restaurant got burnt down. You guys remember Chef Tia? And the sad part about it is that it's suspected that it is arsenic, so it's not like an accident or anything like that. Just spoke to Tia just now and she said someone, you know, burnt down the shop. And that's just a sad part about things here. Like, I don't even know. Sometimes when, you know, and it's sad, especially when a female is, you know, going after it, you know, to provide for her family, and they do something like this. It's kind of crazy. Guys, look at the bar. The bar area. You remember over there where the jerk pans were? Like, it's like a completely different place. The sheltering gone, everything is just destroyed. This is where the kitchen was. It's just ash and rubble. It's just ash and rubble, yo, and it's really a sad thing. Like, I did speak to one of my friends that I met here. You know, I never met the guy before until I was here, talked to him, exchanged numbers, and he would just check in on me, you know, while I was out there, you know, camping in the van. And then he sent me a video and he just showed me this happening. This happened a couple weeks ago, because the videos are, you know, post-dated and stuff. But yeah, it's not a good look. But we just talked to Tia a while ago and thing, and wow. So Tia, walk on. Yeah, alright.
Yeah, just have a laugh.
What's your first laugh with the situation?
I have a laugh because what else if you do? They want that something then do me, and then them burn down the shop. Direction then take and light the shop and burn it down, you know. Directory.
So like the fire department could have come and tell you?
No, the evidence is there. Book them and then take and put at the side. Saying the burnout because the fire brigade out saying they get to burn, the book then they get to burn out altogether. So it's with them pack them and then light the shop.
Oh my God.
Yeah.
I know you might not want to talk too much about it because you're afraid to talk about it.
Yeah.
Understand.
Yeah. But we just him get the container and I go
okay, so these are the container where you get for now, bill it back and
yeah, man, so I write here something and bill up and start back the business right here. So yeah, man, I take time and go on. Yeah.
Jesus. This is actually a good upgrade though.
Yeah, man, yeah, I tell you, it's not bad. And you know, one or two people will give me one cement money and you know?
And thing.
Yeah.
Wow, this is actually a better. We can go inside?
Yeah, man, it's one.
So of course we're not gonna go into detail as thing to like who, the what, the why, the whatever the case is. It is what it is. They did this, and yeah, so I'm just gonna go in here. It's gonna be a little bit dark because I'm using my GoPro and thing, but this is gonna be the new space. The bright side is definitely an upgrade. It is a container type of restaurant she's gonna put up here, but the downside is that it costs so much. Like doing something like this is gonna cost so much to get done, and you know, boy, I don't even know. I really don't even know how to say. So the most I can do at this point in time, I know some of you guys watch the videos and you really, you know, love what she was doing as a female and things. So I don't even know, because I don't like begging. But what you guys can do is to hit me up. You can send me like a direct email or a message via PayPal, whatever the case is. Anything that you want to like donate to help her get this restaurant back up and running, because it's one of the fewer restaurants that are on this stretch that I can even say is pretty decent. Oh boy, it's tough. So the situation now is like it's hard to put the money together, don't it?
Very much.
Very much, because I know this container is a 40 foot.
Yeah, 40 foot, $1 million.
I was about to tell him the price. I was about to say 800,000.
So it's one now.
Yeah, but a 40 foot container is a $1 million, and that's not even to put back everything in there. All right, so I know my people might want to support in whatever way. Like, how can we do that though? Like, is there like I don't know, like you have any mediums where we can?
Like in which term you mean
like they want to send like some US or whatever so to help put things, because what exactly do you need?
What exactly we need? You can notice that some of the zinc they buy. Yeah, so that one zinc thing cover over the container itself and get some more material to cut out the doors and windows. And even today make me get call one man to go look inside whatever it can be in there. And it's like you must say 8,000 of it, just part one little part, that's all. You go buy him two before and fly and well, you pass up here, sometimes you don't want to buy it. Honestly.
Like a lot of money.
Yeah, you see this iron alone? You see this iron alone? It's $8,000 for one. This have to just make up, you know, say
trust me,
you have to have this and then on the part here. So me buy 4. So the 4 me buy finish. So if you notice say them here, this underneath. And we say my daughter can buy 2 then now. But they're not going to do any work until might be Saturday. More to do. And yeah, 1 or 2 people can't help me.
My favorite part is the approach though. I like say, because a while ago I fretting out because I come out here and I see you lay down.
So you see me?
No, like when I went there and you call out to me, I see you lay down on the floor and I said, no man.
I'm glad to see you until because we see Pops and Pops give me a number. I think I sat there and saying so me I'll call you.
Yeah, Pops tell me, you know, Pops send me the video. Everything from when, but because I've been in Kingston, when I get a chance to pass by, so through me, I work on my car and pass by now. Now I'm here.
Okay.
So
just stop still, honestly. Yeah, so we just like, this is the bathroom. So I'm going to take it off to put the water tank them.
Yeah.
Yeah, to get me and one to make the jar shop right at the side here. So. If you notice it is small, narrow, so we just have to just take time and use up as much as we can get.
Jesus. But I love your approach, so you laugh and you smile.
I have to know that I can't keep myself down because I feel that everything I go just down. I'm glad people come every day and encourage me. You understand? So I have the motivation if you just do what I have to do.
To keep going at it.
Yeah. You just take money, but just have to take time.
Yeah, so we're gonna talk about in terms of like how can people do, like, do you have like a bank account number, information?
We have to something like that I can get it though. Because when I know the number, the account number out of my head.
Alright, so you can, if you have my number, you say?
Yeah man,
you can easily WhatsApp me and thing and we can try to see what can go on.
Okay. Yeah man, I'm grateful for that.
Boy. I can tell you easily if I was supposed to make an estimation and like what else needs to be done, it can be easy another $1 million.
Yeah.
Easily another $1 million.
Everything.
Oh, don't forget to your fridge and deep freeze.
Them burn out, never know pot can burn out, maybe realize.
The pots them got melted, yeah?
Melted. This is when time we come on and see because it's like some neighbor from here, down here, so it's them come up at the house.
Yeah.
And don't even know where we live, but they must say, I'll see the shop a burn down. So we do here and jump out and run come down here. The biggest, the fire period out already. Fire is there, but them out down.
Yeah.
Yeah, and that's so now My daughter and my son go in, everybody go in and I look. They said about this, they come here and say, you know, what me going to go look for this? But anyhow, when they pull out, I go in there and look. Me say the pot them melt down, me never realize.
Even, you thought like a Dutchy pot them, type of pot them
Yeah,
melt?
melt. Alright, you see the day when they come, me have the soup pot there, so?
Yeah.
Me not see none of that. You see, I mean, have a bigger one than that, like when I holiday, me use that pot to boil the soup. Me just see the little road part to make the bottom. So, I mean, everything. The only thing we get from outside is the music box, and because we have an iron something where to make for it, so it's in a burn. You just block. Because the smoke, just block it up. Otherwise, nothing at all, nothing at all.
Yo, I can't believe this, yo. I feel like I could even want to cry, bro.
And we say we are work and do what we are do right here, and as we say, one all the way right down by the dirt shop here, so they give you they give you 100 black and next one give you 100. Like we start with this here.
Okay, so I'm doing a couple blocks and stuff.
Yeah, so me buy the steel now and I try to do what me I do. And so man still even Monday, see them burn down the dead place on Monday again.
They burnt it down too?
See there, right now.
I thought that burn down was like because of yours and it spread.
No, Monday that happened.
So why them like we don't really want to go into the details.
Me understand what you mean.
But that's crazy, yo.
Very much we have been there for much. But again me I said no I can't match money. Me not have any direction here. So then literally carry the direction for like the place. You understand what I mean? Yeah, we come in the avenue here.
And that I know some person sometimes though, like, cause everybody on the internet are detectives.
Yeah.
And they might say because it's a board restaurant, so something could have burned up in there. But I'm not glad, but we're happy to know that over there, so which is a dead house, basically, it's a funeral home, sorry. Nothing with fire, but it burned down as well. So you know that it's something like it's something intentional. And then the fire department as well show you. Because they normally go into the fire scene and tell you what happened.
And tell you them take a lot of picture and something, so yeah, because people are thinking they say the current, but no, nothing to do the wire them or nothing.
Yeah.
You definitely see where they make up the fire. Yeah. Me don't know, can you still try to do that video there for me?
Yeah.
Me I tell you say it's like the port most of all.
Yeah.
The port just a sell.
People them come up
Me
to buy
say
because
meet people from America will just come down just to come meet me.
from the video.
Me say me if you write a recipe I give them enough people work.
Yeah.
Because they say they want to go, me just laugh. Honestly, me just laugh. Yeah, one pastor man they come here and pray for me and something, you know, and say the only thing is you're trouble here, so me just laugh when they come up, me just laugh, and every time me remember that man, so me always just laugh.
Yeah.
Yeah, when you trouble don't just laugh because if you ever sit down, just take your over. Yeah. But me I go through those God grace. I trust that so.
Trust me, I'm very happy because this fire happened like a month and a half ago.
Yeah, man.
Around
1 month now.
1 month.
Yeah.
1 month now. I'm glad to see that
1 month.
that you don't give up.
Yeah.
And you put down a container
Yeah, man.
to start over. Cause honestly, me there so I try to hold back tears.
Yeah.
I'm not the type of person who go and cry on camera and whatever. I'm glad to say you're not the type of person either. Cause I've seen a lot of things where bad things happen to Jamaicans who are try and then ball and whatever, but you kind of have a steadfast mentality where.
Because to the amount of time when they broke that, and then no one come and burn me, so you can't make Satan laugh off of me, man. No. People have me down like this. You just say, go get it now.
And the restaurant need to get back up and running by like.
Yeah, because you know, holiday now, that coming to people and come down. So, you know, we try to see if we can come up by same what we can next month or, you know, if it never finish.
But you can start something.
So we can start, yeah. So we can start.
Yeah.
So the biggest main problem we have now, like the current, you have to get in there, so start out to get the man come in doing work and then get the current up, yeah, and take time to ready.
things will get better.
I
I
believe
know
that
this.
that is it. That is what the confidence now.
Everything
Me
is.
just feel it. So it's when time me start with just feel that energy there. So something just I got to start.
Because you see,
Honestly, guys, most of the times we do these videos, I always want the videos to go viral. Not just for my benefit, but I know she say it for herself. Once the videos go well and people share them, the restaurant owners them get the opportunity to actually grow them business more. And the nicest part what I realized about Tia, which I said earlier on, this was one of the first places I stopped at and I felt comfortable and make that talk and relax. You realize that Tia willing to even share her jerk pork recipe, which a lot of people not going to even share that with you guys. So people come down from foreign and she share the recipe with whatever. And then for this to happen, for me don't know. And people commented on other videos too, which I thank you guys so much, because people thought that I never saw or heard about the news or whatever the case is. They commented on the video and they let me know that, hey, Tia, you know, this happened here and, you know, me need to go check it out because it don't really look good. And I myself, I'm gonna work hard to make sure, say, figure out, so, because backstory, I told myself that at the end of this entire around the island tour, you know, I would pick a restaurant where I would do something for, whether it's to give like a proper sign, because I find that signage most of the times then people say, oh, where is it I can't find, you know, do a proper professional sign for them. And yeah, so we have to go figure out a way where we can do something. But I'm asking you guys, you know, I don't really ask for nothing. Every camera equipment, it's expensive. One time I asked for something and you guys came through for me, which was a drone, and I appreciate that from the bottom of my heart. So I hope that you guys can, as soon as I get Tia's banking information, I'll have that on the screen as well. If I don't, I will put up my PayPal information. You guys can make the donations, make sure that you put on it for Mystic Blue or for Tia or for Burnt Down Restaurant, whatever it is, Cash App, any which way, email me. I'm happy to talk to you. And if you guys just want to deal with Tia personally about it as well, I'll have her number, put it there so I can talk to her and help out in any which way that you guys can. It will be greatly appreciated. It could be some chairs. I always say for filming videos, sometimes we want the restaurant to have some nice light inside of the kitchen. It could be, trust me, it could be just for some lighting fixtures, anything whatsoever. We would appreciate 100%. And you see, this structure, this is a used container, and this is $1 million Jamaican dollars. $1 million Jamaican dollars in USD is somewhere like about 8,000 and something US dollars just for this, and this is just a shell. You understand? She mentioned we need to put on like the roofing because it's a metal container, it's going to get hot. You understand? So there's a lot. And then the deep freeze can go as much as like 100,000 Jamaican, which is like, what's that? Like 700 US dollars just for one deep freeze. The regular freeze, honestly, I don't know how you do it because my head would have chip.
You're rough, man. Bad, but trust me. The other day, when I go backwards, when my daughter said, I go backwards, I'm going to go out up there. But the same deep freezer burned out in there. I think we paid that stove for 120,000. So when we go backwards, last week, Monday, is 180,000 for the same stove when we pay 120 for it. That's how things going. And not stove, the fridge. Yeah, sorry, the fridge. So the stove now, you get a stove like for 70,000 or so.
Yeah.
Yeah. But that's just like a regular stove. Because you know say things rough, so you can't want no big, you have to start from small until you come up.
We're not even talking about industrial type of kitchen, so we're talking a regular household stove.
Regular stove, because they know industrial stove here. Don't be cylinder them. You can't remember.
You have how much cylinder? 2 gas cylinder probably?
Yeah,
that is like 35,000, 40,000.
About 35.
35,000.
However, this alright. I pay for a full gas. The full gas is $15,000 for the full gas. And you know this they sell the pan as
by
the gas
itself.
so Yeah, so that could have basically 30.
Mhm.
And the small one now is 4,500. So, yeah man, nearly $40,000 that.
Wow.
Guys, honestly, this makes me feel really sad. I'm a man, and over the years, I kind of learn how to kind of suppress certain emotions, but how I feel inside, honestly inside, I feel like I want to cry. You know, but there are certain things I don't try to showcase on YouTube because, you understand, but inside, deep inside, I feel like I want to cry. I always thinking of different ways and different directions where I want the content to go. I've always been thinking like that. You know, and part of me sometimes I go into certain restaurants and I see where they could improve on certain things, and I'm like, alright, cool, I'd love to get to a point where, you know, I can help them fix or work on certain things. Because honestly, I've always wanted to own a restaurant, but I know that these things are a part of owning a restaurant and it's expensive. You realize that the container that she put up there is $1 million just for the container alone. Things are very hard in Jamaica. And honestly, I'm a content creator. That's what I am. And I don't think I really fully realized that potential. So I've told myself, you know what, let me make the content and let me help the people. And whether it's at this moment is making the videos and people going there to these places and going, wow. I don't do it for praise. She said she's trying to reach out to me for a long time, and I've passed here like 2 times when I went back into Kingston and back. Because I said to myself, yo, I don't want to stop nowhere to feel like a superstar. Yeah man, people watch the video, boom bam, now. I did my job, people are going there and I'm happy. And another day when I want to have some nice jerk pork, I would stop here. And hearing the news and seeing it for myself, it's just sad. And then for it to be confirmed that it was not an accidental fire, it was something that was intentional, it made me even more sad. I've said it several times and I'll say it again. I ask Uno to help me on this project. Help me on it a lot. I spoke to my girlfriend months before and I said to her, yo, I want to do the sign. I want to do something special for one of these restaurants at the end of this tour. And this might come around to be a little bit more sudden. In terms of the people might say GoFundMe. The last time I set up a GoFundMe, by the blessings of my friend that passed away, he was the one that set up the GoFundMe for me because, you know, he is American, I am not, and there's some weirdness. Set up the GoFundMe. I'll try to do something like that where you guys can help out. And it really all depends on how viral this video goes as well, because the more people that see it, the more people that can help her. And this is not going towards me at all. I don't want no money from it, I don't want no praise from it, I don't want anything like that. Me, I do my video, I get some views, awesome, my job here is done. But I really want that those proceedings can go towards her. I'm say here today, gone tomorrow.
say, what the plan be? Your plan for like cut out more window parts or?
Yeah man, we'll cut one more window here because we're going to part it both years for the bar. So
Okay.
here's will be the bar and then here's will be the cook shop.
Okay.
So we're going to cut out one more window there because one breeze and here hot. And then we cut out one big one here so we're going to serve through. Yeah, but you know, so you might know me if we seal these. Then have one. Where's something again, Claudette? Sheet rock?
Yeah.
Yeah, so we might have one to seal these. And you know, inspector. Now one.
You can't, it's not flat surface to be able to clean easy if you need to clean
so.
also.
We have to buy sheet rock, sheet wood, and then the ground now, we have to tile it.
That's about the arcs.
Yes, if you notice, that's not the kind of piece of mesh they can give me, you know, because after they say you have to mesh it and then put some cement. Yeah, and then tile it. So board.
And then lighting.
And then the lighting. Wow. When the man said 30,000 have to pass, and now they say you have to do aim plan to get light now. So it's 15,000 have to do the plan. Then
Just for the light?
Yeah man, 30,000 have to pass it. And 15,000 have to drawing because they say you have to draw a plan. Inside the government come in with that now, so you have to work with it. I mean, I have to get one light post to carry from across the road to come over here.
Yeah.
Yeah. And then now I don't know much. Up to yesterday, I call him and say, give me an idea of your fee now. He still can't tell me because they say I have to come and do him at the first.
See before.
Yeah, so we just have to just wait. Because he want to part first before he can do him at the sun. You have to try and get somebody to come part it.
Wow. Trust me guys, when I say it's gonna be like $1 million, that is just me throwing a rough figure, but I already know it's gonna be more than $1 million easily. Like she was mentioning, when you come onto containers, the entirety of it have to seal off. Not just for the inspection purposes, but just for heat. You know, because it's hot. So tiling, walls, probably roofing not so much, but still, because it might leak when rain.
Too well to the roofing, but it's not really, okay. We're not really worried about the top like that.
Wow. The question that I know some persons might have is the fear of this person coming again.
Oh, so for me outside, honestly, this is all the board, the bottom is board. So me plan to do the outside where you see the space, me plan to do either me cast it or block the road. So then can come underneath it, come make any fire.
Yeah.
That is the only thing, but otherwise, they're not supposed to can tear down this.
Agreed.
Yeah, I don't think so. There's no way they can tear down it so easy. So I'm going to try if we put the lock inside and not outside. So we just lock up everything and make one entry out when we're going home.
Okay.
Yeah, I believe that's safer than to put the lock outside and then take steel cut and cut it off.
Yeah.
And then you put that up here. You know what?
Yeah, I was coming to that. You mentioned that they used to break into there, so?
Yeah, they used to break. Last year, 5 times they break in here.
5 times?
Yeah,
but them take out like alcohol?
And I tell you, say, they don't take not much out here now. And things in there, they can just take out, like take out and create a beer or something. And then they take you out, I don't know them a break the place, sir. Seriously.
Something that try to stop you?
Yeah, somebody, me believe in that too. I believe in that, honestly.
That is what I think it is. Someone out there trying to stop it. So that means everyone need like a little either a camera system, something where you can at least see.
Yeah, I have an idea, yeah.
Because at the end of the day, something we want to can not happen, like happen again.
I truly don't want that happen again. I don't want that happen at all. Not too much hard time.
Trust me, too much hard time. Too much hard times, yo, no sir. But we're glad to see that you actually get the container. And how much, and you have to pay like the shipping fee as well, or everything come together?
No, if you carry from town come here, it's 150,000 and then pay the guy, he might get a crane to lift it put over here, so we have to lift it from the roadside to put it here is the next $100,000. You have to give him. It's not him, you know, the same person who carried from town.
Yeah.
It's not him drop it here.
Somebody else.
Somebody else, yeah.
So you just drop it off across the road.
Right. And the crane just take it off of the truck.
Yeah.
Yeah, and then put it here.
So that means that the container itself costs more than a million then?
Yeah man, base man the fee and yeah. Yeah man. Let's say go.
Hey, that's strong, you know.
True. But they happy all the way when the pan we come can't wait.
To see a container.
We see cause even over the phone we do business, we don't even know who we are talking to or nothing. Honestly, but the person was really good.
Nice.
Yeah, true. And
That,
then we broke the student and wait to container. One excitement when the container come up, we say.
I love that. So, you're happy, so even though this happened, you're happy say the motor upgrade now and just to start over clean and clear.
Yeah. That take a lot, but
Start
take
over
time.
clean and clear.
Not true, man.
And how your family are taking, because your daughter seems like she has a very personality. Or...
Yeah, I want to say, I mean, the three of them up and down, you know, she mixes cement and everything here, because most of them work now, there's a concrete work.
Okay.
And me and her mix them. And my son, yeah. And get one guy lay the block and something. We get help, you know, we get help.
Nice.
We get help.
I love that. And this is about a 40 foot 20?
No man, this is 40.
40 foot container.
Yeah.
I know it's going to turn out good. I know that for a fact, I can see it.
Feel it up.
I feel it too, like the space is a bigger space, I think.
Yeah man, yeah.
I'm sure my people are going to come through as well. And your people are going to come through as well. And God are going to come through as well. And make this thing into a reality. Put back Mystic Breeze on the top.
Yeah, man.
As I come here, I feel this breeze. I'm feeling the breeze, man.
True.
Breeze.
Breeze really have go.
Oh, so these are new pots?
Yeah man, the only one is this one.
Wow.
But you will cook lunch them when they were.
Oh.
Yeah. Then go tomorrow so we can.
Alright, I'm going to say how good because I pride myself in knowing the prices of things, you know. This pot cost at least 8,000.
How much?
8?
Yeah, 8,500 paid for that.
8,500?
Yeah.
Yo, I know my price them, you know.
Yeah man, that's paid for it.
So this is like 8,500 just for one pot, and a restaurant like this is using like about 8-10 pots easily.
Yeah. I like the spoon then. Because all the spoon them burn up, you know, like these is 600 or so on, so.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I think it's true them aluminum, you know.
Yeah man, yeah.
Aluminum melt at a certain temperature, so you know, so the fire was very
bad.
very bad.
When we come here, I see if I pull over and I'm on phone, I see it.
Yeah.
Pull it up right there.
Yeah.
Come here, buy sand and cement, pull it up.
To cast up all of this, no?
Yeah. Enough stone in there.
The best part is that you know how to help yourself to a degree.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I told man and my kids and them today.
So you and the kids them put together and just put in the work.
The last one, he give me full
When?
Since man, me a come there. Since me come there. Come and breathe glory.
Come in like. Let me work.
Come on, let's put up.
This not the hunger man.
Oh, no, no.
No. Yeah, go on. Eh? You have to try to do everything for yourself. There's been a problem. Oh, that's the piece that we take off. That's not hunger. Yeah, me think so, you know. You think so? You know why you're the first of fire. Go. I told him I'm going to burn up. How you see what I am? And then the gun boot over there, so.
One of them up there, One of them up there, coming on, man. Just too much.
Oh.
You walk with him. From right, that's up.
I like this one now, work fast enough, Steve. That's why you come out.
You didn't miss the direction them.
I'm pop up where my pop up. All bamboo. You can see bamboo from on the side. Side here, but that's why you know what this. You take what this side about more.
Yeah. Alright, so I'm about to leave now, and needless to say, the day turned out not how I expected it to. Like, my intention was to go film a street food video that a subscriber suggested, but I ended up here. Now, from the start of the series, I've been talking about a vibe. I was supposed to leave yesterday, but the vibe told me to leave today. And that vibe took me to see Tia here today, help out a little bit. And hopefully the vibe is going to allow us to, make a good contribution to her. I know easily amongst our family, we can easily get to $100 US, but we're going to be aiming for at least $1,000 US. That I know is nowhere close to what she would need, but it is a start. Now I'm going to try to create a GoFundMe page that I'm going to leave the link in the description box. I'll also leave her bank account information for her banks here in Jamaica. I'll also leave her number that you guys can reach out to her and you can talk to her personally, and whatever you can help out with in kind. So if you have cement or sand or gravel, whatever it is, everything would be greatly appreciated. So we're gonna make that happen. And I've always said to you, these places that I share with you, these are my places. These people have become my people, because whenever I'm traveling on this stretch, if I'm feeling for jerk pork, I'm going to want to stop by Mystic Breeze. So it is what it is, and I know that we're gonna make it possible. Now, when I stopped here today, I had a mixed emotion of just being sad and disappointed, but I ended up leaving here a lot more optimistic, because just seeing her drive, just how she just warded off those evils, what I'm saying, just keeping a positive outlook and getting this far basically on her own, but with a bit of help from the community, that's just immense. And I hope that my community can add some more to her community and just make this thing work out. Anyway, I'm gonna be heading over to a stop that I went to before, grab some food, then go to a little camp spot, park up, and you guys know the deal.
have me some rest, and then tomorrow I can get onto my street food journey. Guys, for the people who are going to contribute, thank you so much. And for the persons who can only offer kind words in the comments, thank you also so much. Make sure that you share the video, make sure you like the video so we can get it out there, and as many angels as possible can help Tia make things right again. Thank you. Oh yeah, my fry pan. So I'm by the bar at Big Biz, and I just got my stew peas with pigtail and white rice and veg, and I'm getting my sweet plantain soon. So I'ma have that, nothing better than that right now. And then after I'm done, I'm going to head to my camp spot, and then I'll end the video there. Guys, the chef's secret ingredient is niggeritis. I want to sleep. Alright guys, I don't know what else to say in this video. My bed's set up, so I'm just gonna start on some work, cozy up, watch some Crunchyroll, and then head off to my bed. I think my job here today is done, and hopefully we can make, you know, what we're gonna set out to do with that Gofundme happen. And I hope you guys stay tuned for the other videos in this series. It's gonna be crazy. This spot here is gonna be the last time that I'm gonna be camping here, because I can see where I'm gonna be progressing further away from Port Antonio for sure. I think I've covered as many of the good places as I can. I got a couple more recommendations, so I'm gonna knock those out, and then we're gonna keep it pushing. All right, and I think the next parish over is St. Thomas. I love this about this, like I'm getting to learn more about the parishes and the locations of stuff. So I hope you guys get out there and do stuff like this too, so you can learn more about Jamaica if you're from Jamaica. And if you're not, the same will apply to you. Anyway, I'll catch you guys on the next video. Remember 3 things: love, nature, adaptation, and always remember to keep the link.